Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Fresh Pet? Take a fresh look at Fresh Pet. This is ticker FRPT. And Fresh Pet is in an interesting situation. You can see that it has had a pretty rough 2025. For most of 2025, Fresh Pet just went straight down. And it wasn't until the end of 2025 when they had a positive earnings report that the stock actually started to move up with any real vigor. And so I'm certainly watching Fresh Pet right now because it's just under this big black line. That's the 200-day moving average. So after its 71% fall, it's finally back near the 200-day moving average. Now, I typically don't buy stocks that are under the 200-day moving average because I know good things happen when a stock is above the 200-day moving average. And you can see that here with Fresh Pet. Historically, when the stock is above the 200-day moving average, it tends to at least trend to the upside for a period of time that makes it tradable. And so I'm watching for Fresh Pet to get above and stay above that 200-day moving average, just under 65.40. So I'm going to set an alert here on Fresh Pet and look for a move through that 200-day moving average and a close above coming on good volume. Now, if it does that, and if it continues to have positive earnings, I think this stock could be a big winner for 2026 and potentially get some of the 2025 give back to shareholders. So that's what I'm watching for a move through the 200-day moving average. I have an alert on this stock at around 65.40. That's just above the 200-day right now. And I want to see a move through and a close above coming on volume. And if it can do that, then potentially we could see a trend change here on Fresh Pet. And this stock will stop being a stinker and go back in the fresh basket. Sorry, dad joke. Was it even funny? I don't think so. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that video is helpful. And by the way, if you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, you definitely should be. I just took a look at Dan Fitzpatrick's active trade list, and he is killing it. His best trade on the active trade list is up like 44%, and his worst trade is down only 2%. And he's got over 25 trades on the list. So I would definitely check out Stock Market Mentor. If you're looking for a winning strategy to trade this market, you got to check out what we're up to at StockMarketMentor.com. My name is Scott. The other guy's Dan. I hope to see you soon.